Multiple times per year, I have someone yell at me about this topic because they don't understand North Carolina law or the contract they signed to sell their house. What could get someone so upset? It's everybody's favorite bill, taxes. Many people don't understand that in North Carolina, unless the contract says otherwise, the taxes are prorated on a calendar year basis. That's regardless of the county's fiscal year or what the person at the tax office told you. About a month ago, I had a seller very upset at closing because before the closing, he called the tax office to ask some questions because he thought he would be owed money for the taxes because he was paid ahead. And the person at the tax office told him, well, you are owed money, but not an attorney in this state is going to do this properly. So you're going to have to really explain it to them at closing if you want any chance of being paid the money that you're owed. Unfortunately, this seller got some bad advice. Don't get me wrong, attorneys make mistakes all the time. We're people. But in this case, there are several very good reasons why the taxes are prorated on a calendar year basis and not the way that this seller and the person at the tax office explained. So the first reason is it's the law. North Carolina statute provides that unless it's agreed upon in writing between the parties, the taxes have to be prorated on a calendar year basis. So if you show up at my closing table and you don't show me some sort of contract between the seller and the buyer saying otherwise, I have to follow that statute. The other reason is it's in the contract you signed to sell your property. So if you use the North Carolina standard offer to purchase for a residential property, then that contract follows the North Carolina law and provides that the taxes will be prorated on a calendar year basis. But what about the local government's fiscal year? I understand that it can be very confusing that the local government operates from a July 1st to June 30th fiscal year. But the tax lien process and the tax collection process operate on a calendar year basis. So regardless of what time during the year the tax bill is created, the tax lien is going to relate back to January 1st of that calendar year. Remember, when it comes to prorating taxes, 1, it's the law, and 2, it's in your contract. I understand the real estate closing process can be very confusing at times, so if you want to learn more about it, check out this video.